The Czech Ministry of Defense officially announced a landmark contract with Rheinmetall Land System GmbH, valued at CZK 6.16 billion, around €250 million, over 7 years, to provide full-spectrum maintenance for the Czech Army's Leopard 2A4 main battle tanks. This extensive agreement goes well beyond routine logistics, marking a pivotal move as the Czech military accelerates its shift from Soviet-era hardware toward NATO-standard armored platforms. The contract includes comprehensive service, repairs, and supply of spare parts for the Leopard 2A4 fleet, ensuring these vehicles remain fully operational for the long term. Lubor Koudelka, senior director at the Ministry's Armaments and Acquisitions section, emphasized the necessity of securing robust support to sustain tank operations, highlighting how this transition enables the Czech Army to move decisively away from reliance on Russian and Soviet technology. The Leopard 2A4 tanks covered by this deal include 14 units recently purchased from Rheinmetall via a December 2024 agreement, as well as 30 battle and recovery tanks donated by Germany in recognition of the Czech Republic's support for Ukraine. With Rheinmetall serving as the original supplier in both instances, the new contract seamlessly extends their role into ongoing servicing and upkeep, fostering standardization and continuity in maintenance practices. This arrangement also underscores Rheinmetall's key position in modernizing NATO's Leopard fleets, solidifying Prague's firm alignment with Western defense capabilities. Lieutenant General Miroslav Hlavek, First Deputy Chief of the General Staff, noted the contract's role in guaranteeing long-term repair and maintenance while facilitating a smooth transition of technical skills to Czech Army logistics personnel. This will ensure uninterrupted training and deployment of the tank units during the 7-year term. Set for the full duration permitted under Czech procurement laws, the framework includes an initial multi-year spare parts provision, simulation-based crew training, post-production technical support, and mobile maintenance facilities. Financial and technical flexibilities are built into the agreement to accommodate evolving operational demands and future upgrades. The agreement completes the Czech Army's reorganization of its 73rd Tank Battalion, transitioning it fully to NATO standards. Previously equipped with 30 modernized Soviet-era T-72M4CZ tanks, the battalion now operates 42 Leopard 2A4s, enhancing both combat capability and interoperability with NATO allies. Developed originally by Krauss-Maffei-Wegmann and now maintained by Rheinmetall, the Leopard 2A4 combines a 120mm smoothbore cannon, advanced targeting systems, and modular armor. Despite being an older model, its upgrade potential and compatibility with Allied forces make it a cost-effective and relevant main battle tank. By adopting the Leopard 2 platform, the Czech Army significantly boosts its firepower, survivability, and logistical alignment with NATO. This transformation supports the Ministry of Defense's goal to field a fully operational heavy brigade, a core NATO capability benchmark. Replacing the aging T-72M4CZ was critical, as these tanks lack sufficient firepower and protection to face modern high-intensity conflicts. Strategically, this contract signals the Czech Republic's irreversible commitment to NATO interoperability and deeper integration within European defense structures. It also incorporates plans to gradually involve Czech defense firms, strengthening domestic industry participation and sovereign maintenance capacity in line with NATO standards. The MOD highlights that fostering local industrial support is vital for sustainable, long-term defense logistics. Ultimately, the Czech Army's complete embrace of the Leopard 2 tank, in partnership with Rheinmetall, represents more than just an equipment upgrade. It marks a fundamental modernization of the country's armored forces, positioning the Czech Republic to meet the renewed prominence of armored warfare in European security. This initiative ensures the nation's tank fleet is no longer a relic of the Cold War era but a central pillar of its future defense strategy.